Welcome to today's video of making a waterfall card. So you're going to need a pencil, a ruler, some tape, glue, and 4 photos, and a very long piece of cardstock. The measures will be given throughout the video. So you're going to take that long piece of cardstock and get your ruler out and measure it on the centimeter side. Now you're going to want to mark every centimeter after the 4th one, all the way to the 8th. Okay, so you are going to take your ruler and just going to draw a line from the 2 dots. Just go up and down, like make a very long line, and then do that for every 2 dots. Okay, now you're going to take the paper and fold along all the lines. Now make sure that you fold all the lines well. You need to crease them very thoroughly because the end result will be much more satisfying. Now you're going to want to take your glue stick and glue every 1 inch space. Make sure that you don't glue the box on the end right there because Now take your photos and then glue them so that the top of the photo meets 1 crease. And then do that for all the creases, like all the little spaces. And then take the thin piece and then just put it on top. Make sure it's glued on properly. Okay, and then those two on the top, you're just gonna fold them down so that they meet each other. And then take out your tape. And then you're going to want to take those two strips and just like make sure they're tied very close together. Yeah. And then this step is optional, but if you want to fill in that blank square with like words or picture, you can definitely do that. Or if you just want to cut it, make it shorter, that's also fine.